So what we're going to do is we enter our email settings here, and generally speaking this is fine. POP3, the port would be 110, because that's the, we're going to be using POP3 because that was the protocol on our email server. And our mail server here, we're going to go back to this account here, this cPanel, because remember this is our WordPress configuration. We're going to go to cPanel, go back into our email accounts, and grab that email account that we created, this here, and the email server is going to be the domain mrgeniusreview.com, but it's going to be mail.mrgeniusreviews.com. and remember our ID, if we go to this configure mail client, we will get our mail server username right here, ACEG_blogger plus mrgeniusreviews.com. We don't put the @ there, so we copy this. See, there's our mail server there as well. So we go back into here, we type our user ID there, and click on our, put our password in. Remember, I did all the creative ones, so you want to be a little more creative than this. And then we'll update our options. Takes a second to post to the database, sometimes faster than others. Okay, something was going on in the background there. I was uploading a YouTube video. Okay, so we've been updated, so now we run the postie to check, and it says connecting to the mail server, and there doesn't seem to be any mail, and that's exactly what we want to see. We've made the connection, so our postie options are good. So now, whoops, go back to our options here. And our postie configuration is complete. So the last basic thing we want to do is just to set our appearance. So we can go here to themes. Now we've installed one theme here that I like. That's what I generally I use a lot, because it's got some stuff already pre-configured in it. It's got banners pre-configured in it. It's got some of the more SEO friendly features in it. It's not a lot of flash, but it's very effective in terms of what we want to do for article marketing. Another way that you can do it is you can install themes right here, and then you can search for one. Another one that works well for that is Cutline, and if you search for that, it'll go out and look. Oops, maybe it's 2 words. It'll go out and find, there we go. No. Well, I can't remember how to find it. But if you go to WordPress.org, see, I put that up in another window. By the way, if you can find the module Cutline, this is what it looks like. I find it a very effective one for SEO. It'd be the Cutline by Chris Peterson. So if you go to cutlinetutorial.com, this is the Cutline theme for WordPress. That is very SEO friendly. It's very fast and effective for blogs and content like that. But you can go to WordPress.org. You can go to the extend, click on the themes directory, and just search for many different themes that you want. For instance, we'll look for the word blue, search on that theme, and we'll go down and grab one of these. Let's call it, let's go grab this one here. I don't know, Blue Jay, how's that? So if we go here, we can always go back to this install our themes. Whoops, what happened there? Let's repost, refresh our screens. It's a brand new version of WordPress, so it may be a tad off. Of course, this always happens at a demo. Alright, let's try it here. Blue Jay. And it did not find any. Okay. Well, we'll try something a little simpler. Let's just go for blue. See what it gives us for options. And if we find one that we like, we can just click on and install. Unnamed light. We can just click on this install button and it will install it for us automatically. Okay, so now we can go back to our themes, and if we look, it should have that theme installed for us. And there it is, that's the one we just installed. But we'll go to our blocks here, just because I like it, and we go up here and click Activate Blocks. And now if we go to Mr. Genius Reviews, the home page, notice we are in our new theme. And that's how you activate your XML sitemaps, Posty, and to install themes. And that concludes the third portion of this WordPress setup tutorial. Thanks, have a good evening, and God bless you.